morning, everyone. It's really early. Well, it's not that early anymore. But I've been up since like 6:30 because I've had I had an appointment at 7 a.m. It was just a phone appointment. But I did that and now I'm awake, so I can't go back to bed. It's now 8 o'clock. And I decided I need to get up and get my day started. And I kind of lost my voice too. I don't really know how. And my eye bags. We're gonna fix all this. Let's go do my skincare, brush my teeth, and get myself together. Now that my skincare and my teeth are brushed, everything's done, I'm gonna go make a coffee and then we're gonna start getting ready to film videos. Okay, now that I have my coffee, I didn't make coffee. I decided to just have peppermint mocha drink because I need to do my makeup so I can film my videos and get my day started. So now I'm gonna do my makeup to film my videos and just for the day, and I'll be right back. As you can tell, I have my makeup on now. I look alive, bright, different. And I changed just into this little crew neck and I just have my PJs on. I just finished filming my Christmas wish list video, so that's probably already gonna be up. Go check it out. Now I think I'm gonna go make some breakfast and eat and edit and then post my video, and then I'm gonna film some more videos and we'll go from there. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs with cheese, so cheesy eggs. And then I'm gonna have one of these everything bagels. These are the Dave's Bread bagels, and they're so good. They're so soft and chewy. And then I'm gonna use the onion and chive cream cheese from Trader Joe's. This is like my favorite breakfast ever, so I'm gonna make this. I just uploaded my Christmas wish list video and now I need to get my nails done because I love these nails. I'm literally obsessed with them, but they're just a little grown out. I love my long nails so much, but it's just hard to like type things. It's hard to like make jewelry and just do daily things with long nails, so I think it's time for me to go shorter. I don't want to have my natural nails because those like get really dirty and like just get caught on things and stuff, so I'm just gonna get really short acrylics. I'm in the car. These are my nails before. They have little crosses on them. I literally love these nails so much, but as I said, they're outgrown. So I am gonna go there right now. I might get my toes done. I don't know yet. So yeah, nails before. These are my nails. They're very different than what I normally get. They're like very short and I don't know how I feel about them, but they're just simple. So yeah. So picked up Chipotle on the way home. I get a bowl and chips and side of queso and then this like sauce on the side. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll be back.